Open controls. Camera. Stop recording video. Mess of page 1 of 6. Page 5 of 6. What tap ball mat twit Scott lines K. A Western drama. Voiceover off.
A Western drama.
Navigate through the menu options using the left and right swipes. Select an option by swiping up. Go back by swiping down. To leave the game and go back to the main menu, swipe down with 2 fingers.
Continue. New game.
To move forward, swipe up and hold your finger on the screen. Swipe left or right to rotate Wade. Tap the screen to hear my voice so that you know where I am. Come on, Wade! When you hear this sound, it means that you have encountered an obstacle. Now try to reach me. What are you doing? Come on, Wade! I'm here! What are you doing? Get moving! The game saves automatically at the end of each mission. When you lose, you'll start over from the last gameplay. You can skip the tutorials by swiping down with 2 fingers.
Chapter 1. What changes you?
Ah, here we go. The light is perfect for practicing.
It's already time?
Sure. You know this is my favorite time. We'll go behind Smith's General Store.
I'm here! Get moving! Come on, Wade! What are you doing? I'm here! What are you doing? Get moving! Come on, Wade! Get moving! I'm here! Come on, Wade! Get moving! I'm here! What are you doing? Get moving! I'm here! What are you doing? I'm here! What are you doing? I'm here! Get moving! I'm here! What are you doing? Get moving! Come on, Wade! Get moving! What are you doing? Come on, Wade! Get moving! I'm here! Get moving! What are you doing? I'm here! Come on, Wade! Get moving! I'm here! What are you doing? Come on, Wade! Get moving! I'm here! Get moving! What are you doing? Come on, Wade! Get moving! Come on, Wade! What are you doing? Come on, Wade! I'm here!
No one will bother us here.
Well, what about Smith?
The old guy rests at this time of day. Anyway, he's completely deaf now. He won't trouble us. Let's see. The usual game. I'll throw them for you, and you must hit them in the air.
I will now throw a bottle in the air. You'll hear the bottle in one of these 3 directions. Right, left, or in front of you. Swipe up, left or right to aim, then tap to shoot. Hit the bottle before it falls down. Try to shoot plenty of them.
Ah, nice job! Good shot! Bullseye! Good shot! Ah, nice job! Good shot! Ah, nice job! Good shot! You've got a lot better.
Well, thanks, Dad.
Go easy with that. Especially when we're on a mission. Come on. Let's go home.
Hey, boys!
Elsie!
Did you win again, honey? Did you beat your dad again?
You and the others should stop calling me that in front of Wade. You know I ain't his dad.
Drake Farr, you were lucky enough to find this abandoned treasure and still don't accept it? You ain't content with turning him into a goddamn killer.
Everyone does what they can to get by. You ought to know that.
At least it gives me pleasure, and I don't risk my neck.
I assure you, killing and risking my neck gives me a lot of pleasure.
Elsie, get back inside.
Hey! Don't you see him talking?
Hey, I paid you.
I don't give a fuck that you've paid. You understand, asshole? You are...
Elsie! Fuck!
Dad! Jeez.
Look, Wade! That bastard is getting away! Come on! The horse! Quickly! Follow the movement of my horse by rotating with a swipe to the left or right. Move in the same direction you hear my voice. If you get too far away, you'll lose me. Your turn. Stay behind me! Keep up, Wade! We're losing him! This way! Don't get lost! Keep going! I'm about to accelerate, galloping forward. Whenever I accelerate, you'll feel me charging straight ahead of you while I spur on my horse. To follow me, swipe a lot as high and as fast as possible to let your steed gallop. When you feel it slowing down, it means that you've caught up with me. Now be careful. Faster! Faster! Ha! Keep up, Wade! Don't get lost! This way! Stay behind me! We're losing him! Come on! Come on! Keep up, Wade! Ha! Stay behind me! Don't get lost! This way! Keep going! Faster! Faster!
Holy shit. Go. Holy shit.
You bastard! Where did you think you're going?
Fuck.
You know what you've done?
Fuck.
Wait. Wait a minute.
Shit.
Wait. Hand me the wanted posters.
Oh, here.
You're Burl, ain't you? From Crouch's gang.
Shit.
You're a fucking member of Crouch's bastards, ain't you?
You son of a bitch.
Now you better give me a different answer if you value your other shoulder.
Yes, damn it. I am. I am.
Where are you hiding?
Go fuck yourself. No. Okay. Okay.
You've only got one way out, Burl. I've got a map. Show me the place.
You son of a bitch. Okay. It's here. There's a quarry.
Well, that's just fine.
Oh, now, just give me justice. Well, you got what you wanted. Now let me out of here. No, wait, what?
Here's your justice. We're going back to Eagle Path, Wade. We've got to rest. We'll go get Crouch tomorrow.
Where am I? Patrick! Dad!
Save me. Please, I'm here.
Who are you?
You have to save me. It hurts. I'm begging you.
What?
Kill me. Please, I'm here. Kill me.
Face your nightmares. Use the swipes to aim in the same direction you hear the voice calling you. When you hear the final drum, swipe up to aim, then tap to shoot.
Wade! It was just a dream.
There was a figure, all covered in flames. He was burning. He wanted to be killed.
Don't think about it. We have to leave for Crouch's quarry. We'll take him by surprise. Come and get the gun. It's ready. I'm here. Come on, Wade. Get moving. I'm here. What are you doing? Come on, Wade. Here it is. As good as new. Come on, let's get moving. I'm waiting for you outside with the horses. Get moving. I'm here. What are you doing? Come on, Wade. What are you doing? Come on. I'll keep it still. Get on. Let's go! Follow the movement of the guide by rotating with the swipes. Don't let him get away. You're a big boy now. I won't turn back again to see if you're there. Follow me! Ha! Keep up, Wade! This way! Keep going!
Stay behind me! Don't get lost! Hey, let's go! Keep up, Wade! Faster! Stay behind me! Ha! Keep going! This way! Don't get lost! Keep up, Wade! How you doing?
Good. It's just that, well, that dream, the man was covered in flames.
Stay focused on the hunt. Don't get distracted. This land plays tricks on you. Especially in dreams. Come on! Come on! Stay behind me! Keep going! Faster! Ha!
Elsa's death was horrible.
Crouchy's men are violent, but I've seen worse.
Dad, she was in a pool of blood.
I told you not to call me that. And Elsie... well, maybe she wanted to die like that.
I loved her.
You'll find someone else. Come on! Come on! Keep up, Wade! This way! Don't get lost! Keep going! Stay behind me! Faster! We're getting closer. Remember what I taught you. Keep your guard up. Listen to the environment. Those bastards' footsteps. They're bullets.
Well, they were just bottles.
It doesn't matter. You'll get over it. Come on! Come on! Ha! Keep up, Wade! Don't get lost! Stay behind me! This way! Keep going! Faster! Keep up, Wade!
I read Crouch's name on the wanted poster, and next to it was $500. Is he really worth that much?
That bastard did everything he could to increase the sum on his head. You aim well, that money will be ours. The next time you read his name will be on a cross. Here we are. We have to climb to the top. It's better to continue on foot. Look, we can tie them up there. Be careful here. Follow my voice along the unstable area. Careful where you put your feet. If you get too close to the cliff, you'll feel the ground crumble more and more, and eventually, you'll fall. Good luck. Come here! This way! Hey! We have to go further. Careful, or you'll fall. Hey! This way. Come here. Careful, or you'll fall. This way. Hey! This way. Come here! Hey! It's steep. It's not over. Hey! We have to go further. It's steep. Hey! Come here! Careful, or you'll fall.
We have to cross this old bridge?
There's no choice. I hope it holds up.
This way. Fuck. We were lucky.
Well, now how do we get back?
Crouch can't be isolated. There'll be another way. Hey! It's not over. We have to go further. It's steep. This way. We have to go further. I think it's here. Careful, or you'll fall. It's not over. Careful, or you'll fall. This way. Here. We have to go further. It's steep. We have to go further. I think it's here. It's not over. It's steep. Come here.
That was close, but we made it.
The entrance to the quarry is down there.
Hey, Drake, have you been hunting him for a long time?
Let's say that he's always been good at escaping.
Oh, he won't do it again.
Good boy.
Watch out! We'll come across his men soon.
Hey, you!
Take cover here and take them out! You're surrounded. You have enemies right, left, and straight ahead of you. Swipe up, left or right to aim in one direction, and tap to shoot. You have 6 shots. Be careful. Our enemies reload quickly. To hide and reload your weapon, swipe down. If you take damage, you won't be able to shoot for a while. Don't get yourself killed.
You see that, Drake?
Yes, but it's not over yet.
He's alone with the kids.
Here are some more.
Drake, I can't hear anyone anymore.
Look, there's a light. That's where we'll find that bastard.
Oh, wow. You do everything to escape from those star-spangled assholes. You succeed, and then you smell the stench of the biggest son of a bitch in the West. Drake Fire. How'd you find me?
Burl. He came to visit us.
He's fucking Eagle Path horrors. Damn fool.
You're just a most capable asshole.
So the bridge didn't work.
Damn bastard. There's another route.
Well, it seems you have much to learn, Fire. I always have another route.
But this time, we'll be the only ones to use it, Crouch.
Oh, look at that. A boy came for the occasion, too. Was Barrow getting it on with one of his moms? Or is he just that good a shot?
You may find out.
Well, you ought to talk like him.
That's enough, Crouch. It's over.
So, who pulls the trigger? A boy?
Ready, Wade?
Yeah.
You're a real bastard, Fire. John, get out of here. I just have 2 wooden boxes left to fill before leaving.
The drums you can hear indicate the start of the duel. Among the drums you will distinguish sounds that are repeated in sequence and in different directions, like these. These sequences serve to increase your concentration. Every time a sequence ends, use the swipes to replicate it. At the end of the last sequence, it will fall silent. You'll need to draw your gun faster than your opponent. To do this, wait for the final drum sound. As soon as you hear it, swipe up to pull the gun, then tap to shoot. You have to be faster than your enemy, but not too fast. Now concentrate.
I did it!
You did well.
Hey, before dying, Crouch shouted a name.
Yes. Maybe we lost one. But it means he wasn't lying about the other way out.
So, we're not gonna pursue him?
He'll be far away, but don't worry. Without their leader, these worms are nothing. And their leader is a corpse now. Come on, let's take him to Eagle Path. There's $500 waiting for us.
Voiceover on, a Western drama, direct app switcher, a Western, close a Western, closing a Western drama, app switcher, camera. Sant, Amazon, tape thrower, messenger, Safari, page 6 of page 3 of 6, page 2 of 6, page 1, calendar, photo, camera. View, camera, live, zoom, 1, camera mode, take picture, but, photo and video view, take camera mode, photo, adjustable. Control set, camera choose, airplane mode, switch selected, screen recording.